Hello beautiful, welcome to today's video. Today we are talking about a holiday gift guide for her. This is for you, for your best friend, your mom, your mother-in-law, all of the women in your life, maybe even yourself. So grab a cup of tea, grab a glass of wine, whatever it is, get settled in, and of course all of these things will be linked in the description box down below for you. So if you see something that you like, all you have to do is go click the link down below. It will take you to exactly where you want to be, I promise. And without further ado, let's jump into today's video. You guys, the holidays are here. They are back and I am so excited. Christmas time is my all-time favorite time of the year. The twinkle lights, the warm, cozy clothes, the making the cookies, the singing Christmas carols. I'm here for it. I am here for it all. So today's video, I'm so excited to give you guys my holiday gift guide. Normally my gift guide comes out way too late because I completely forget about it. So I'm getting it to you early this year, okay? Seriously, some of these things are my all-time favorite things that I have either gotten for presents, I've given for presents year after year that people absolutely love. So I know that your moms, wives, friends, sisters, everybody gonna love them. Or they're things that I'm actually buying for my friends and for my family. So a couple of the things I haven't even tried yet, but I am so excited about the gift sets and I have purchased them for my friends and family already. One of them is sitting over here. The other one hasn't gotten here yet. So I will tell you all the things that I know tried and true, and then I will let you guys know the things that I have purchased for my friends and my family. So if you're friends and family, I'm not gonna tell you who they're for, but you might be able to guess. So yeah, I will let you guys know what all of those are. I'm gonna start here though, because I mean, what wife, mom, grandma, friend doesn't want a beautiful mug with their babies or their fur babies or their adventures all over it? I don't know. I don't know one. And I've given them to all of my mom friends and my best friend got me this one. Thank you, Chelsea. But Shutterfly, they make beautiful mugs, very affordable, wonderfully customizable. I love it. I give them out. They're a crowd favorite, I promise. So they always have really great deals this time of the year and you get your mugs really fast. You can also ship them to people, which is really nice. So like I've sent them to my friends who live farther away. So this is an excellent idea for all the women in your life, okay? We're gonna take a sip and we're gonna put it away. My next all-time favorite thing, you guys, if you know me, warm cup of coffee. That's all us moms need. I don't drink reheated coffee, but how many moms do we leave our coffee cup because we get pulled in another direction and then we have cold coffee? No more. Yeti mugs, okay? I love Yeti mugs and I love beautiful sparkly mugs, okay? So this one is so beautiful. I bought this for two of my friends last year. They love it. I have one for fall and then I just have regular Yeti mugs for the rest of the year. But I mean, if you can have glitter and hot coffee every morning, I mean, why wouldn't you? Am I right? So a nice Yeti mug or a dazzled up mug from Etsy. Of course, I will have this exact one if it's still available, linked in the description box down below for you. You can put a pack of coffee in there. You could do some Vital Proteins collagen creamer, like individual packets in there. Wrap it up, make it look so cute and so pretty. We love her. Coffee mugs, always a win. All right, so next up, and something that I am never without, is my Simple Modern 40-ounce tumbler. Okay, this color is absolute perfection. I love it. It keeps my water cold. It is so much better than a Stanley cup, okay? Stanley cups, they knock over, they spill water everywhere. This one doesn't spill. Now, if you tilt it all the way upside down, of course, it's gonna come out the straw. It's a straw. But if it just knocks on its side, it's not gonna spill because it's got a little rubber stopper thing here. We love her. It fits in our cup holders. It's beautiful, it's neutral, there's not a ton of markings all over it. Everybody, and I mean everybody, wants this mug. I promise. They come in an array of beautiful neutral tones, colorful ones. They are so wonderful. I love it. Highly recommend. Get your hands on one of these cups for yourself or give it to your bestie, give it to your mom, give it to your grandma. They are gonna love it. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna talk about today is Pique. Okay, so all over Instagram and YouTube and everywhere is like Pique matcha, Pique BT fountain hydration stuff. Okay, someone in my life loves matcha, okay? And this is a ceremonial grade matcha. I got the gift set pack that comes with a frother and this beautiful glass beaker that you can mix your matcha in and have like a beautiful little matcha moment. So I'm thinking that I will give her this little set and then get like a really pretty cup to put her matcha in, because I think that she will absolutely love that. Right now, this bundle is on sale for 15% off, so you definitely want to go check it out if you've got a matcha lover in your life. Okay, so speaking of gifts that I have not personally tried yet, but that I am like I bought one for myself and I bought one for a gift. I got a couple of the gift sets from Osea. This brand just like really stood out to me. I loved how luxurious it was, and I loved the ingredients that it had, and the gift sets really make it affordable way to try multiple different products in the line. I personally got the Super Glow body set for a present because I just loved how luxurious it looked. I also got a bestsellers. I got that for myself because I have not tried Osea yet, and I really want to try it because I am so dry, and you're getting to try multiple things for a fraction of the cost, and I think that that is so much fun. And what a beautiful gift to give someone. Beautiful, luxurious, moisturizing, hydrating, love on your mamas, love on your friends. And I love the idea of giving gifts that are going to encourage self-care, especially for women. We give to everyone, especially during the holidays, and so when we start to give presents and gifts that encourage self-care for women, I think that it's so empowering and it's really beautiful. So those are some of my all-time favorite gifts to give. Along those lines, I love the Billie Razor. I have given so many of the Billie Razors out, you guys. I love them so much that you can get them in a set where it's the razor, additional heads, and then their shaving mousse. So good. Everybody loves it. The Billie Razor is fantastic. And again, self-care, right? We don't have to shave our legs to go on a date. Take care of yourselves. Mamas, ladies, we gotta take care of ourselves for us, not for anybody else, okay? All right, so along the lines of like skincare and luxurious, one of my all-time favorite stocking stuffers by far is the Naturium Vitamin C Super Serum Plus. You guys, this is a powerhouse serum packed full of vitamin C, retinol, salicylic acid. You can use it daytime or nighttime. It's gonna be good for pretty much everyone. I don't know a skin that can't handle this. Like my grandma uses it. I have been using this product for the last 3 years, and I can actually tell you like wholeheartedly it has completely changed my skin. I have done unboxing videos of Naturium. I've done 30-day check-ins, 60-day check-ins. Like I've done multiple check-ins using Naturium. I love this product, and it is such an affordable skincare. And let me tell you, if you're just doing like a little gift exchange or you're doing Secret Santa or something, like they're gonna love it. Now, if you're trying to make like a cute little gift set, this ice roller, you guys, is amazing. I have been sleeping on the ice roller game. Let me tell you, I decided like I wanted to do a fun skincare reel. I didn't want to buy a really expensive one. I just went on Amazon. I found this ice roller for like 10 bucks. It's a beautiful blush toned, which totally matches my aesthetic, and I loved it. Like I didn't want a pink one or a purple one. Like I just wanted something beautiful and blush toned. You guys, it's cooling, it depuffs the eyes, you do lymphatic drainage with it, you're massaging your face. Like my face was glowing. I feel amazing after I use it every single time. Also, if you guys need some really good winter skincare recommendations, go check out the blog, CharleneTown.com. I recently did an entire blog post on all of my favorite winter skincare items to help keep you hydrated, moisturized, glowy, dewy, and just like feeling your best. So go check out the blog, CharleneTown.com, if you guys need any skincare recommendations. I will have it linked in the description box down below for you, okay? So along the lines with like skincare and stuff, you guys, these spa bands are amazing and a complete game changer, okay? I think it was 2 years ago, I got this recommendation from Whitney Simmons. You guys, these are amazing. I have given them to my sister, I've given them to friends, because when you're washing, you don't want water just like dripping all over the place. This stops the water. They're cute, they're wonderful. You can get them in a 4-pack, and you know, just take 2 sets and like separate them out. Give 2 sets to one friend, 2 sets to another friend, or keep a set for yourself. And you know, I do recommend 2 sets because I like to let them air dry. So I wear 1 pair in the morning and then 1 pair at night so that I'm not wearing like super wet, soggy ones, you know? But yes, so amazing. Okay, so those are a must. And then the Kitsch Headband, we love her. I don't like my hair getting wet at nighttime. I don't like water dripping all over the place. OurPlace, so my go-to is this Kitsch Headband, and it's so cute. The leopard print, it's neutral, and if you want to zhuzh up somebody's nighttime or morning skincare routine, add the little spa bands, a little Kitsch Headband, the Naturium Super Serum Plus, the ice roller. You've got a whole little skincare routine, okay? We love it. It's beautiful and it's very affordable and something that's really thoughtful for your girlies who love makeup, okay? I have been using the same eyeshadow palette all year long ever since I got it, and it is the Makeup by Mario Neutrals palette. Mine is so loved, and yet I've just hit pan on one of the shadows, but this eyeshadow palette would be good for everyone, okay? It's got dark shadows that you can use if you have darker skin tones for your neutrals. You could use the darker tones for eyeliners if you have a lighter skin tone. Like, you can do a smoky eye, you can do a really light eye, you can do so many different things with this one palette. I love it. It's literally the only eyeshadow palette I have used, I have traveled with. I love how compact it is. It has a beautiful mirror on the inside. It's white and it just like goes with everything. Like, the formulas are beautiful. I love it. Highly recommend. And then makeup brushes. Okay, so Morphe makeup brush sets are always a good idea, okay? I am a professional makeup artist. I've done makeup for what, 18 years, and my Morphe makeup brushes are my all-time favorite brushes, okay? I used to be all MAC all day long, but Morphe brushes are more affordable and they're beautiful. They wash and they last forever. I've got them in my makeup kit. I've got them in my bathroom. I give them out as presents. Like, I will list some of the really good sets in the description box down below. You really can't go wrong with Morphe makeup brushes. And if you know somebody who loves makeup, it's a tool. Makeup brushes are a tool. So if they're using one brush for like all of the things, if you get them like a little face kit where they have a blush brush and a bronzer brush, and you know what I mean? Or you get them like a little eyeshadow kit where it's got like a small detail brush and like all these different things. Like, it just elevates makeup so much when you have the right tool to do the right job, right? While you're on the website, you can check out their lip liners are like $5 and they are my all-time favorite lip liners ever. They're soft, they're creamy, but they stay a long time. We love that. But yeah, go check out Morphe. They have incredible deals and they're really affordable and they're so good. If you guys have not tried Zsupply pajamas yet, just do it. They are soft, beautiful, comfortable. They've got matching sets of like sleep bras and bottoms and matching tops. What I love about the Zsupply Jammies is that they're really, really soft. The material is thin, so you can actually sleep in it and you don't get super crazy overheated. I sleep really cold, just a note, but they're just really flattering. I always buy them in my standard size. I wear them in a size small, and the waistband is never like cutting into me. Like, they know that they're pajamas. These are really luxurious and beautiful, and it's gonna show someone like, I was really thinking about you when I purchased it. Okay, sticking to cozy things, you guys, my Ugg blanket. My dear friend gave me a beautiful Ugg blanket for my birthday, and it's beautiful. I love it. I highly recommend it. It's so soft. It's the one that she got me. As you can see, it is this beautiful neutral tone, which is so my style, and it's double lined, so it's nice and thick and cozy. I love the weight of it. I love the feel of it. It's just super comfy and cozy. I have it in my office. I'll bring it in my bedroom when I'm working in there. Like, it just follows me wherever I go, and I love it. You cannot go wrong with a nice cozy blanket. Like, it wouldn't even be a gift guide of mine if I didn't have a nice soft cozy blanket on here, because there's just nothing better than a really cozy blanket when you're getting snuggled up anywhere you want to be. So something that I have been really getting into coloring lately, and I was talking to my best friend about it. She's like, yeah, there's like a lot of really amazing adult coloring books. I do it all the time. And I was like, what? I didn't know that this was a thing we could do, but of course we can. And hashtag self-care, like, slow down, do something good for yourself. But I recently got this one that is full of positive affirmations and positive quotes, and it's intricate, but it's not too intricate, and I love it so much. So I will list the coloring coloring book that I have down below and some good color. Like for me, I'm a color pencil kind of a girl. I will list the color pencils that I have down below. I want a variety. Some people are pen girlies. I don't like the bleed through, so I'm more of a color pencil girly. So I will list my favorites down below for you guys so you guys can go check those out. Along the lines of self-care, for me, working out and moving my body is so crucial and essential for my mental health and like helping my anxiety and just so many different things. And last January, we upgraded, we up-leveled our life, and I have this beautiful Pop Flex yoga mat, you guys. It is so soft. It is so beautiful. I feel elevated and like super good every time I use it. Like I just roll out this beautiful mat. It's a vegan suede, and so I have psoriatic arthritis, and I always used to have to wear like yoga socks so that my feet wouldn't slide or get hurt. And with the vegan suede, I don't have to do that. So I really enjoy it. It took a little bit of time to get used to because it wasn't as like grippy as some of the mats can be when you first start to use it. But as you like warm up, you know, but as you start getting like heat in your hands and in your feet, it really, it's a really amazing mat, and it's so beautiful. I love it so much. And along those lines, the Pop Flex Gold Weights. Y'all, you want to feel like bougie and beautiful and like you have a girl's workout room. I want gold. I want it to be pretty. I want beautiful colors. I want gold. Like they're beautiful. These weights are my favorite. They're beautiful. They're so well made. They have cushioned hand holders. I have psoriatic arthritis in my hand. And so the soft handle makes the biggest difference, okay? My hands don't ache when I'm done working out. My hands don't hurt. You know, those old school weights that were like diamond plated, they're like cut up, and I swear you get to the end and you've got calluses and big ol' owies on your hands, and it's like, no, that's not fun. Nobody wants that. Like up-level your life, up-level your friend's life. It's beautiful and it's aesthetic. And it makes me want to work out. It makes me want to be in here, and I love it. And you're gonna love it, and they are gonna love it, okay? Up-level your space, up-level your life. You are worthy, they are worthy. Like, yes, you want this in your life, I promise you. It's like, I didn't know that I needed it until I got it, and I realized, whew, this is it. This is what it means to up level, and I love it. And okay, so the very last things, you guys, that I highly recommend that I have given out as presents that any woman in your life is going to love. The OurPlace Everything Pot or Pan, love. They are the best pot and pan I have. I use them the most. They're beautiful. The minis are perfect for like eggs and stuff. That pot is perfect for soup, and you can put it in the oven. My OurPlace pan you can put in the oven. I make everything in there. They are so beautiful, and they take up way less space because you don't need as many pots and pans. They've held the test of time. I've had my OurPlace pan since my birthday 2 years ago, and it still looks brand new. They also have like the steaming rack, so we steam all of our vegetables in the OurPlace pan. They're just so amazing, and I have them in the steam color. They look so beautiful in my kitchen. I love them. Like, those little things matter to me. I don't want to just have some ugly black pot in my beautiful kitchen. Like, I try to only bring things into my world that I'm like, I actually like that. Like, I want to reach for that. It's like the weights. I want to reach for the beautiful gold weights. Like, I want to make healthy food in this beautiful pot or this beautiful pan. Like, it encourages me to make more food at home, right? So the OurPlace Everything Pot, OurPlace Everything Pan, they have so many amazing things on the website, but you guys, you cannot go wrong. Those are the best presents. Love. We love it. They're gonna love it. I promise you. Okay. That is it for today's holiday gift guide. I really hope that you guys found something that you either try out for yourself or you got some really good inspiration for gifts for all of the incredible women in your life. We need to spread the love as much as we can, and all that self-care, like taking care of yourself, feeding yourself good food, and nourishing our bodies and nourishing our minds and helping reduce anxiety, moving loving our bodies. Like, let's support each other and give gifts that are like really good, take care of yourself gifts this year. Am I right? That's how I feel about it. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really supports my channel. Share it with a friend, maybe give it to your husband or your boyfriend or your best friend, and maybe they can get some holiday gift ideas for you. And yeah, don't forget, everything will be listed in the description box down below. I so appreciate you for watching. Thanks for being here today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Today's video, you guys, we are prepping for 2024. Can you believe there are only 31 days left in 2023? Me either.